I'm Sanskar Dhakal, and today I'm going to show you how I made my electric piano through these push switch buttons. I made with these jumper wires, the battery cap, battery, speaker, Arduino, and you can also use a buzzer instead of speaker if you don't have, and resistors, 3 resistors, and a USB cable. First, what I did was put these push button switch on the breadboard. This is the laser face, so I just kept this right over here. This, and now the other one. Okay, like this, yeah. And the other one, the last one. Right. Now we'll take a resistor and just keep one side of the leg over here, just like that, and just push it in. Oh, what's this? Yeah, yep. So you'll take I took this one of the jumper wire, and through this resistor I just pin it over here. These are connected, these lines are connected through it, and these are connected with the 4 of it. So I'll join to one of it, and to the Arduino I'll join not to the Arduino. First I'll join over here. Okay, somewhere right over here. Take another jumper cable, and through this I'll join to 5 volt. Here Arduino, this is UN1, this is ground, negative, and this is 5 volts. So I'll just pin it to the 5 volt. Now I'll do the same thing. Now in this leg, the same resistor which we input, I'll join this. I had joined this to one of the pin number 8. I'll do it now. This button's work is completed. I'll do the same thing to the others also. Let me do a bit fast because it won't take much time if I did fast. Pin it to one of the resistors through the 5 volt. Now these are connected, so I can put one of it over here. Now this leg to the pin number 9. You can put any pin numbers, but I choose pin number 8, 9 and 10. Okay, and this one leg, another leg to the right over here. I'll join over here, one of its side, and here to the other leg. Sorry, I'll join just to this line with the other jumper wire with 2 pins. I'll join it to the ground right over here, negative. Yep, so these 2 buttons work is finished, I guess. Now the third one, this button. Take a resistor, put in one of its side. Yeah, like this, and through the resistor, yeah, I'll take like one we put in, and through to the 5 volt, the other to the pin number, like this. Okay, yeah, I guess this one. No, not this one. Yeah, and it to the pin number 10. Now the other cable here, right over this to the ground, right over here. Yeah, you can also connect this ground to here, but I just choose this one. Now our system is ready. Let's check this one. Button 1 goes to here, ground, this ground, and it joins to the ground. The other 5 volt, here 5 volt, yeah, here 5 volt, and this one also 5 volt. Yeah, everything is correct. This to the pin number. Okay, now let's go to the code. open the Arduino. It takes a bit time. Yeah, you also need to connect the speaker also. You can connect the speaker and you can use buzzer to connect it also. Well, I choose speaker because its sound, I just like it. 2 of the jumper wires are left. One to the pin number, I choose 7, and the other to the ground. Well, I'll put over here, right over here, because it's ground. Okay, now let's go to the coding. Here is tools, so we'll just left click on the tools and this Ardu block in the 6th number. Now I've already done coding, so I want just to take out it. Piano with push buttons. Open. It takes a bit time. Yeah, here's it. This is if test, which can be found in control right over here. This is this one is the separate one, right? I just connected it to there. So I found this one on the test right over here, and this one tone pin frequency millisecond right over here in the pins number second. And I just did like it's if test, if digital pin 8 equals to I, where this button is connected to 8, then pin number 7, the speaker will just at the frequency at the loudness 523, in 1 millisecond it just get out. And I just put these 3 of them. Now let's upload to Arduino. Oh, wait a second, I haven't plugged in the USB cable. Yeah, and this one to the Arduino. Yeah, that's it. Now you can check port Como 7. Yeah, upload. Compiling sketch. Uploading. Done uploading. Now let's check our piano that it works or not. So we have made our piano. You can press 2 buttons and you can also use buzzer instead of speakers. Okay, so now, yeah, you can also press these buttons. If you press it for a long time, then it just plays tang 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 tang, because I put a millisecond, 1 millisecond. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.